Bellissima, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime with a shock I'm still.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Dine TV. Me hope everybody good, me hope everybody alright, and everybody have a happy Sunday. Beenie man, not the pan Vibes Kartel level, no dear, and me always a telling you that one thing Beenie man have a Vibes Kartel, and I am freedom, and new evidence has just surfaced to prove my point. Ninja man's letter to the editor, yo, this one, it cannot get no realer. Vanessa Bling, yeah man who says she buy a brand new Range Rover. Alkaline, after staying silent for a very long while, after seeing Masicka burn up the place and run the road, me no know what going on, but Alkaline has resurfaced and the man a fire some wicked shot. Me no know if that's why Masicka end up in a floodwaters down a St. Thomas or a popcorn him did go link and get washed away. Gage, did he just this chronicler or is just a drowning man holding on to straw? Viewers and subscribers, we have all of this to speak about in this report. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel when you reach this far. So please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So Ninja man, as he has been doing for a good while now, sending letters to the editor, we see which part him send a letter to the editor addressing nobody but the Prime Minister. And it's a bit lengthy. Me not go play it over here, so me just go summarize it because you know them things they go on YouTube. This and as simple as it may seem, we may play it over here, so and then here you get copyright and all of them things there. You understand? So we can't run in for everything like what we normally do. But his letter to the Prime Minister, the man in a summary basically I say, yo, the system in prison, the system in the jail, them, it no make no sense. And it is something that we the Jamaican have been speaking about for the longest while. People go to prison, they are not rehabilitated. Instead, them come out worse than all them going. Jamaica have somewhat first thing first. Taxpayers shouldn't be the one we are pay for them prisoner food. Taxpayers shouldn't be the one we are take care of them prisoner. Jamaica have so much land, so much places where they can go farm. Yes, me understand say we don't have enough warders, we don't have enough police, we don't have enough security forces to monitor them. But come on, put things in place. If we don't have to get in more security officers, if we don't have to get in more police or whatever the case may be, get in more of them. Get the prisoner them. Put them on a farm. Make sure say it is well protected. Them supposed to can farm their own meals. Them supposed to can go take care of the pig them, the goat them, the chicken them, and all of them thing there. Instead of us taxpayer, if you pay for them, to provide for them or for them survive in a jail. That no make no sense. And that ninja man I talk about. Them need to put a system in place where the man them can go work. I weigh a bill. Them have how much houses that you know how much laborer there in a prison. You know how much tradesman there in a prison. You know how much this in a prison. How much skilled people, skilled individual there in a prison where the prison system can actually make use of them. And not just make use of them, but they are actually providing for themselves. In the letter, him also say, whenever them go work, make it be a case where a little bit of the money, yes, them won't get a pay less than where them would get paid if them did out a road. But make it be a case where a little bit of the money go towards their meal and whatever them need in a prison, and then they have another account for them, so that whenever them leave jail, them have something where they can rely upon. And them things here cause the cancer, crime and violence, you know. Most of who depend life sentence now in a prison are re-offenders. They are already ex-convicts. When you left them now and let them out of jail and them go back on the road, one, them don't have no family. Two, them not no work and they cannot get no work. Three, them don't have any money in the bank. They not have nothing to start them life. That our ninja man I say. Set a thing for them. So that's when them go out the road, them have a little account based on their labor in jail, them can go pull from it and start a little business or whatever. And also have somebody on the outside as soon as the prisoner then get released, willing to help them, willing to get them into a work. These are just the basis of some of the things when Ninja Man speak about in his letter to the Prime Minister. And yo, me I say, kudos to Ninja Man. Yes, him dep on a life sentence, and he is amongst them people here. Him and one of them people here where him a talk about, but we can clearly see, say leading up to this trial, Ninja Man was a changed man. And Ninja Man up until now is still a changed man. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts about the issues being raised of prisoners going out to work, getting some money towards them account in a prison and also another account, so that's when them leave prison, them have something to fall back on. Just tell me your thoughts. We are move right along.
Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me not.
So Vanessa Bling, a former Gaza artist, or me can just say yo, a Gaza artist. I don't know, Lawboss send them a road wicked. You see what me I say? Vanessa Bling, we might not hear a lot about her. We might not see no big song from her. We might not see no hit song. We might not see no big stage performance. But this is the thing when musicians should do. You day in the music, you start make money, put it to use. So even when you release a next song for 100 years, you have a little business, you have a little this, you have a little that, where you earn from the music, and now you are making a living from it. Vanessa Bling, we don't really know what she do, but as I say, we not see no big music forward. But Vanessa Bling, we see she moving at the Land Rover place and she buy a brand new Range Rover. And yo, this is a good look. I so want to see the artists them a live. Even 100 years after we don't hear a song from them. 100 years after we don't hear a hit song from them. Because enough of the artists them even nowadays, as they make a big money, bam, buy a markets. Little after this, you don't hear nothing from them. Little after this, you see them a walk. Little after this, it's like, you don't know what really go on. Yes, they may never make a lot of money, but the little what they make, did they put it to use? So big up yourself, Vanessa Bling. We are move right along.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
So me I scroll through TikTok and me see that video here where Beto Dan put up. Check it out.
Ask how he bigs them for pray. Did I pray like, yo, I mean, alone moms have man, moms love me. Love your blood clot, you look in your glass and you look on yourself. You look lovable.
Somebody please talk to this crop lizard looking Bob Bucklat boy. Before we give him a Will Smith, keep the bigs there about your Bob Bucklat boy. And listen, me not go as hard as I should, because he show respect to our honorable bigs, which is Chronic Law. But Miss Gage, me know how you feel like say I got this bigs. Me know how the boy look like Rick from Rick and Morty. Michael Jackson Thriller looking cranny zombie boy. Yeah, man, we don't want the boy over here big rose. We are tell people say if we go down in the blood clot pocket, tell we nothing. The big say we catch the belly for your girl back and give her $5,000 plus a zinger and send her home. Don't out yourself, me general. Remember say we pay for the belly and you get feel for free. Gage, you look in the mirror. You don't see your favor like one palm-olive soap or a little pit the color pan. Anyway, I say me then I go on. But that's why I say this to you still. Look in your phone and then look by your car.
So me I gonna make it clear. I don't know where this all started. In fact, I haven't even seen the full video of Gage. You understand what I say? But based on what was played and based on what Beto respond, then we have an idea, or we see the grounds where them are forward offer. That's what I say. Now, in it look like say Gage had this up the fat man them for the woman them. Cause I don't know how you go, The fat man them call the woman them moms, etc. So you like Gage depend the female them side and I say, yo, stop calling the woman them moms. That's what I say. Better than you don't know them man they roll out once. You say fat man, them man they roll out once you go on like you want this, the oversized male them. So you roll out in defense, and we all know a better than forward with this moms things. So once you hear a man at this demand them for call you man them moms, and you don't know better him I got take offense. So him forward in defense of everything we are going. That's what I say. Now based on everything, him say Gage big up Chronic Law. Sounds as if Chronic Law the only bigs what him big up. That's why I say this better than this one bigs than them, etc. Now me not gonna really speak of what better than say or add to say about Gage. But Gage, me I go speak directly to you. Me I wanna Gage biggest fan. Yeah man, no joke. Without a doubt, me I wanna Gage biggest fan. But you see this TikTok thing, when me see Gage take up, yo, as a fan, me don't like that. You see what me I say? We don't know if you're hungry or not. But you doing this make you look hungry. You're artist. That we know you for. And when since everybody run gone over TikTok and I beg this and I beg that, no, it don't look good, Gage. A long time you did you suffer. Long time you did you try. So why now since TikTok forward out with this live thing and roasting you over there follow the mass? No, Gage, as an artist, we don't love that. We know you to sing a song them. So lower TikTok and go sing a song. That I will know. Yeah, artist, brother, you're not supposed to argue with TikToker. That can't make sense. That's what I say. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thought about Gage migrating to TikTok and not YouTube and Spotify and all of the different music platforms.
Limelight, been there, done that, just won't forget my mind right. Let me drive that right now.
So Beenie Man is the self-proclaimed king of dancehall, while Vybz Kartel is the people's choice king of dancehall. There is a huge difference. You see what I say? Yeah, when you take a title for yourself and nobody give it to you, it wasn't given to you, then it just look like say, yo, you're just an idiot and you just want to be or say you're something that you're not. But when your work can actually speak for itself and people are going to brand you as this, brand you as that and give you the title, then you know say, and you are the man. So being a man, him take the title while Vybz Kartel, the people and we give him the title. And as I tell you say, yo, really and truly, you know, I one thing being a man have over Vybz Kartel and a freedom. Beenie Man, where king of dancehall is concerned, yes, you can say, yo, him have him accolades, him have this, him have that, but we all know Vybz Kartel is where he is because he is Vybz Kartel. If Vybz Kartel was Beenie Man, Vybz Kartel that is further than what Beenie Man the right now. Now, the recent evidence was surface to prove my point or else back up my point, say, yeah, what? Beenie Man, not the pan Vybz Kartel level, is that for a song that he did 26 years ago, even though there are some positive in this, you know, good work speak, but Beenie Man do a song 26 years ago, Sim Sima, I think it titled Who Am I, something of that sort. It has been certified gold in America. Now, listen to the thing. This is Beenie Man's first certified gold in America. Vybz Kartel do that long time. Check out Fever. Long time. You see what I say? But we not take nothing from Beenie Man. Congratulations. Your work speak. Good work speak. 26 years after the song I sell certified gold. Beenie Man could have dead and in a grave right now and still I sell silver and still I sell gold. You understand what I say? So it's a big achievement for the self-proclaimed king of dancehall. But here what? Him is not on the level of the people's choice king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel. Tell me your thoughts, viewers and subscribers.
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime when I shock I'm still. Charge 1
So the last thing we are going to touch on, Alkaline. Good while now, we don't see the man they forward out and make the post. We don't see the man they really do nothing. Even though I saw him stay this minute him here, and then I see him for next year, and then him just reappear. I saw the man they got to work. And I feel like say, it help build up the suspense, especially when him go drop a track, especially when him go forward and perform at a stage show. People want to see him more because he's not as common as the rest of artists them depend live every minute and all of them thing there. That's what I say. But Masicka, a burn up road wicked, I'm telling you what they are. Say Masicka, for the last 5 years, he has been the most consistent artist, even more consistent than the king of dancehall. We just a chat about Vybz Kartel. Do the maths no man? Numbers don't lie. Check the man Vivo. So Masicka, a burn up road, we see him forward with Tyrant, massive hit. Now we see him forward with Limelight, another massive hit. See him forward with a song named Bedrock. Now, I know me and do them the type of song they are not for the man then. So me not will speak to it because I know my favorite, you know, really sound like, yeah, leave that alone. So yeah, we see forward with that now. With all of we are going, everybody are call Alkaline. Once you say Masicka, Alkaline name is next in line. Once you say Alkaline, Masicka name is next in line. So it's like both of them are juxtaposed together. Once you say one, you have to think about the other or say the other. So we don't know. With Masicka burn up the road, Alkaline name a go a call. Now he has been silent. We see him forward and he make a post on him Instagram. Check it out.
Auntie buy some memories we can't delete. When me say for split we get a comment.
No disrespect to Alkaline, but watching this status make me assume say yo the man stress out. It's like the man confused, the man have a flashback. And maybe you might look on where him forward from. Maybe you might look on the amount of people who diss him, the amount of people who call up him name, the amount of people who style him. And also, maybe him just confused. Can't find a hit. Can't find another song where I go run the place well. But hope him find it. But for the longest while, since Ocean Wave, we not see nothing from the general. We not see nothing from the man himself. So when him see Masicka burn up the road and Masicka name alone a call, and it's like only time for him name call with Masicka when people are style him, say him fall off and them thing. Then the man just have a flashback and the man just haunted. Yes, where me I say, or probably it's just as when me say him just confused and don't know what to do. And him probably, it can also be a case where him have something forward because I saw them man they got to work. Whenever them disappear, once him reappear, him have something forward. So maybe him have a banger a forward. And who knows, maybe that's the reason we see Masicka, them find him in a floodwaters down at St. Thomas. Now this is not this to Masicka. You don't know once I say crooks are the artists them have to speak about. If I ever demand them or find a crocodile, the first thing they must say, yo, where the artists are there. So as I say, I don't know if a popcorn him did go link now St. Thomas and get washed away. Or yo, a Alkaline run out wicked brawling. So may I say and put him in that state. But viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section. You have come to the end of another report. Please may I go ask you, give this video a like. You make it this far. So like the video. Bless up.
Even trust another friend. See some things for me that wish that it never happened. Try to block it from my mind.